Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
soldering stations.
Number 5.
F2C 853rd SMBDC power supply hot air iron gun, 4 nozzles, 5mm, 7mm, 10mm, 12mm, for versatile applications. 1 DC probe cable for testing conveniently. 1 extractor for ease using an extraction operation. 1 sponge to wipe the soldering tips at times. 1 desoldering wick CP 2015F for perfect joint, 11 PCS of iron tips.
Number 4.
F2C2 in 1898D plus soldering workstation, voltage, 110 volts/AC with power consumption, 700 W. Soldering iron heater material, imported high-power heater. 1 extractor for ease using an extraction operation. 3 nozzles, 5mm, 8mm, 10mm, for versatile applications. 11 PCS of iron tips, IB*2K3C2.4D1.2D1.6D2C4C3.2D.
Number 3.
Smart's Choices 898D plus digital soldering, hot air and hot iron 2-in-1 rework soldering station. Dual LED digital display, intelligent self-detection function features safe personal operation. Voltage, 110 V/AC. Power consumption, 700 watts. Airflow, 120 liters/min. Gun temperature range, 100-480 degrees Celsius. Soldering iron temperature range. Automatic cooling function. Extremely low noise.
Number 2.
SMD workstation hot air gun digital soldering. Specifications. Operating voltage, 110 volts output power, 700 W. Display, digital LED. Type of pump and airflow, brushless fan with soft air, airflow, max. 120 L/min. Noise, less than 45 decibel. Temperature range, 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius.
Number 1.
Voom 2-in 1862nd plus SMD soldering. Hot air heat gun and soldering iron 2 inches-1 rework station. Designed for soldering and desoldering without lead. Advanced SMD technology provides more stable use. Dual LED digital displays show precise temperatures. Microcomputer processor. Suitable for various kinds of soldering or desoldering removals purposes of the electronic. Used for shrinking, paint drying, adhesive removal, thawing, warming and plastic welding.